Hey traders, welcome to the pittrades.com weekend video. I hope everybody's having a great day. I want to get a quick video out to you before the market opens. It's about 15 minutes before the Globex session opens up here, but I also want to address a couple things and give a quick lesson on some of the feedback that we've been getting. First of all, thanks for the feedback. We want all the feedback we can get. We love it. We like interacting with you guys, so send us all via emails, whatever. Let us know what you're thinking, good, bad, or ugly. We'll take it. But nonetheless, let us know. And one of the great questions that's been coming to us recently, and I thought I would address it today, is why do you guys have such wide targets? Why do we look at 20, 30-point targets in here? Well, the truth be told here, if you want to make money in the markets long term, you're going to have to hold on to your trades longer, which means you're going to have to target out further. You're going to have to look for targets that are wider than what you're typically looking for. Most people get in a trade, they get the trade moving in their direction a couple points, and they want to clip that target off or clip that profit off and take it home with them. Problem is on the next time they do it, they let their stops get run, or they pull their stops and they take a 4 or 5 point stop, and it's lopsided. You cannot sustain that in the marketplace. You have to look at targets that are in multiples of your stops. Okay, we call that risk reward. All right, and if you're not familiar with that, you need to probably Google it. More importantly, there's Dr. Van Tharp has some good literature on it and a couple good books. I would encourage you to maybe go out and read some of his information. Talks about, listen, if you have 1 unit of risk, okay, you want multiple units of reward out of this. So what would that look like? So if you're risking 2 points in the marketplace, you're looking for 8 to 10 points of gain in the marketplace. So now you're going to be looking for better entries into the market. In other words, you're going to be looking for better areas into the market, and maybe using some of the targets that we put out for you, you can target these areas once you're into those trades, and you can have great rewards based on your small risk. Okay, even if you stop out, no big deal, because maybe the next one you'll be able to get a 10 or 20 point winner on it. So that's why we do that at pittrades.com. Matt's been doing this for quite some time, and so we look for that. That's the way we trade, and that's the way people last long term in the business of trading. So any more questions you guys have, please send it over. We'll definitely take a look at it, and we'll try to answer each one. Other than that, guys, let's go take a look at these levels. What's going on here? We had a big gap down, and now we've sort of chopped around in an area here for the last couple days, and we are wedging right now. Now, wedges on a 30-minute basis tend to break, and when they break, well, they will break eventually, which direction they will go, but when they break, they tend to go that direction for a while. Now, of course, we've seen failed patterns before, but right now we are winding, and the market does that. It moves and it rests, and it moves and it rests, and right now we're resting and we're getting ready to break. Whether it break on Monday or Tuesday of next week, we don't know. However, if we break above this 36 area, up to the 39, I think the Globex high was 39 a few days ago, but in that area, if we break up, I would say that the magnet then is that pivot, that the 1149, 1150 area. And then also probably right above that, I like the 1156 area. That would be my target because we have a gap close. They love gap closes. And of course we have probably up to that 1160 area. So 1156 to 1160 area. I would probably take profits at 1156 and hold on for the one last unit to see if I can get that 1160. Now, if we do break down this, and my guess is over in the Globex session, this will end up getting broken. Okay, now if we do break it, I'm looking for how it reacts down at the 1106 area. All right, if we break the 1106, well then you can probably guess that it's going to go down to the 1095 area, 1096 area. We talked about that level a couple weeks ago, or actually last week. And then below that, we do have now a weekly S1 at 84, and then of course the ultimate target is 1077. We'd look to take profits down there and maybe see if we set back up, break out of that, or is this just going to be a double bottom down there. So with that, gang, listen, Monday, there's some news out at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you have that news written down, and you try to stay out of the market during that time. Let the market shake out on Monday. It was a weird week last week, a lot of volatility. We had a 100-point range. Let this thing all shake out. Let's see what happens on Monday. We got a lot of time. The trades, there'll be trades there. The market will open every day, and let's trade well. Otherwise, guys, take care. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. See you.